Hey guys, in this video, I am doing my homemade acai bowl recipe, and that is acai, not acai, it's acai. And actually I did some research on the fruit. It is a fruit that is known to Brazil. It actually does not go fresh in America at all. That's why we can only get it frozen in America. And that's pretty much where the acai bowl came from, the country of Brazil. So if you guys would like to see how I make my homemade recipe, just continue watching. You will need frozen organic berries, strawberries and blueberries. I just have this organic triple berry blend from Earthbound Farm. You will also need frozen bananas. You can either do this with prepackaged frozen bananas, or you can physically take fresh bananas and freeze them. There are instructions on how to do that online in case you're interested, but I just get them pre-frozen because it's easier. These are also organic. You need 1 pack of organic acai. This is from Sambazon. You can find it at Sprouts. That's it for frozen stuff. You also need some unsweetened almond milk. I use vanilla. You could use unsweetened regular if you want. I have organic agave. I have an organic banana and some random fruits that are fresh. This is kiwi. I have blueberries and raspberries. Also organic almond butter, as well as sliced almonds and granola. This is vanilla granola. Vanilla and almond granola, I believe. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna start with my frozen stuff. I have a food processor here. You can use a blender, but I just use a food processor. I like it better. Plus, I don't want to buy a blender. This works the exact same way. This is one from Cuisinart. So yeah, you can find it at Kohl's. That's where I got mine. So with blending things, to make it easier, I always start with liquid. Basically, you need half of everything. Literally half of everything. I'm gonna start with half a cup of almond milk. Have my Pyrex here to measure it out. If you're doing more than 1 serving, obviously you would adjust this. It's a little more than a half. It's fine, because usually you might need more milk anyway, based on the texture. Just gonna move everything out of the way that I'm done with. You also need half a cup of frozen bananas. Oh, too many. Because I know how to add, I'm gonna also add half a cup of berries and just stack them on top in the Pyrex, because it's gonna be 1 cup total. Way too much. Oopsie. Okay, I'm gonna dump this in there. You're really done with this, so you can put it away. I'm gonna take my acai pack. You might need a knife. Okay, that's it for your ingredients for the frozen stuff. So let's go ahead and chop and blend that up. Stopped it halfway through because I noticed my bananas, some of them are still frozen. You could just take a knife. Don't recommend a knife, actually, because it can, you already know if you're used to using things like this. But yeah, use a spoon preferably. I'm chopping up this banana just to make it soft and make sure it blends easier. You don't want to over blend because it's going to be super liquidy. You don't want that. You want an acai texture. So, all my fruit is pretty much blended. For the ones that are not, you can just enjoy it frozen. It should only be like small chunks though. Nothing to make a big difference. Time to boil it up. Now that you have your frozen acai, you're ready to put your fresh fruit on top. You can use whatever you want, depending on the flavor you want. I particularly like banana, kiwi, and berries. I also like mango. I just don't have any at the moment. So yeah, you can put as much or as little as you'd like. Now, don't judge my plating. I'm not the best, okay? I just know how to do the basics. So as far as looks, don't worry about that. We're just worried about flavor. Well, I'm just worried about the flavor, so. Okay, gosh. I only use about 1/3 to 1/2 of the banana. You can use the whole thing if you want, it's up to you. Just expect to be in the bathroom a little while. I actually have more kiwi than this, but I don't have any sliced up. So we're just gonna use what I have. Take some berries next, just cuz. Again, use as little or as many as you like. Just keep in mind, you will need to be by a toilet because I really gotta tell you, nausea, heartburn, indigestion. upset stomach, diarrhea. Now you can put your sliced almonds. I got these fresh at Sprouts. Feel free to use whatever you want. I just like almonds on my acai bowl. So that's what we're going with. Next is granola. I don't put too much in it because I don't like mine super sweet. And actually I realized I forgot to put agave in there. I don't think I really need it. It's just something that helps balances the acid in this. I don't like mine super sweet anyway, so I don't think it matters. We'll see today. Last step is to apply some scoops of almond butter. You could put as much or as little as you like, as with everything else that are the toppings. I put probably more than most, just because I love the texture of it. I love kind of like, not the saltiness, because this is unsalted, but yeah, I just like it. I'm gonna put a dollop in the middle this time. Let's try to plate this professionally. It looks not bad, actually. I did a great job, guys. Oh, guys. Okay, let me stop. I'm doing too much now. Okay, let me stop before it starts looking like diarrhea for real. There's my acai bowl, guys. I can't wait to dig in. Actually, before I take a bite, I'm gonna take a picture. That's kind of what we Instagrammers do. So now it's time to take a taste test. Of course, it's delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed my mini tutorial on how I make my homemade acai bowls with all organic ingredients. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.